Hi friends, this is Narayana from Narayana Tech House, Python Training Internships and Placement Center. So recently we started a new programming series, that is Python Advanced and Tricky Programming Series. In this series we'll cover all Python logical questions. Right? Now already 5 questions over. This is the 6th question. Right? So before going to explain the 6th one, please subscribe our channel Narayana Tech House and follow us on Instagram. Our ID is Python Narayana. Now let's explain the 6th one. So here one string is given. In the string, A multiple times is there, B multiple times, C multiple times. Now I want to find out the occurrences of each character. Means A how many times is there, B how many times is there, and C how many times is there. Right? So for that purpose I have taken the empty dictionary. In the dictionary I am taking a dot from keys. In dictionary we have a function called dot from keys function. So from keys function means it is used to create empty dictionary with the help of another object. The another object may be string, may be list, may be tuple, may be set. Okay. So what does it do? From string it will take all the characters and make as a keys in the dictionary. For every key 0 will be the value. 0 will be the value. Suppose if you don't give the 0, by default none is the default value for every key. Okay, so in this case what is happening? So here D is creating D equal to empty dict dot from keys of st, right? So now it will take like this. It will take so first in st A multiple times is there, right? But as we know that dict does not allow duplicate keys, so it takes only one key, one A, and what value here? Value 0, like this. Next one, second one B multiple times is there, but dict allows only one time as a key. So now second one again B, and what is the default value? 0. Again C also multiple times is there, takes only one time as a key, and it gives also 0 as a default value. So 0 value is the default, like this. This is dictionary at this point of time. Now all characters are there, and by default 0 is counter, right? Now here the given string A, B, C multiple times is there. Here also A, B, C is there. Now let's go with iterations one by one. So now what we do here on the string, we apply iterations and take one by one character and count here, and increase the value every time by 1. That means first time I value what here? I value first time first A, right? A. Now D of A. D of I means what here? In the dictionary I means what here? A. Dictionary I. So what is dictionary here right now? This is dictionary, right? In the dictionary I means what here? A. Already what is A value? 0. That 0 increased by 1. That means so first time iteration. Now first iteration, what is I value here? I value is first A. Right, first A. Okay, so here that A, D of A, what is the value already? 0, right? So now 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, this is what here? 1. That 1 assigned to what again? D of A, means wherever A is there, that value updated by this 1. So finally here the result dict is A. What is the value now? The value is 1, right? And same B 0 is there, and C also 0 is there. This is end of first iteration. Now second time, the second iteration here again I value what now? Again I value is A, right? I value is A, second A, right? Now coming to here D of I. Currently here D of I, what is I value? A. So D of A, what is the value? 1. So this is the 1 now. 1 plus 1 how much now? 2, right? So 1 plus 1, already 1 is there, increased by 1. 1 plus 1, it is 2, right? 2. Now this 2 again assigned to what now? D of A, means for D of A, whatever value is there, that value updated by this current value. What is the value now? 2, right? That means again A, what is the value now? New value 2 will come. For B, same 0 is there. For C, same now 0 is there, like this. This is the end of second iteration. Now, third iteration, again what is the I value? A, right? Again I value A. Again I value A. Now, again d of I means d of A. What is d of A? This is d actual, right? This is the d. So d of A means what? D of A means 0. So 0 means initial 0. But now what is d of A? 2, right? 2. So 2 plus 1, how much? 3. 2 plus 1, 3, right? So 2 plus 1 is a 3. Now the 3 assigned to which one again? D of A. All D of A, what is the value? 2. The 2 updated by this value 3. That means A 3 will come. Then B 0 and C also 0 like this. That is the end of iteration 3. Now fourth iteration means what now? B will come, right? So B will come here. So iteration 4, fourth iteration. I value what here? I value B. Right? So D of B. So D of B. What is the B now? 0, right? Right now 0. So 0 plus 1, 1. Again 0 plus 1. It is what here? 1. That 1 update the existing value. So this is what here? 1. Assigned to D of B, right? D of B. B value update now. Again A how much already? 3. Then B becomes now 1. And C how much here? It is 0 like this. Next, fifth iteration here, same. I value what again? Second B, right? I value again second B. Okay. And now D of B. Right now D of B. D of B value. What's the value? 1. So 1 plus increment by 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 1, 2, right? Now the 2 update which one here? Update to the existing value, okay? But existing value here, D of 2. D of I, right? D of I means D of B. What's the value? 1. That 1 updated by what here? 2. That means A 3 already, B becomes 2 now, and C by default 0 is there. Like that. Now sixth iteration, one more next B. In sixth iteration again what here? Next B. Seventh also, what again here? Again B, because we have B 4 times, right? So end of this one, what happens here? A becomes the same 3 only. Here B becomes what? 3. And C, what is the value? 0. And again, next time when I B, again same here. A, how many times? Same previously 3. B becomes 4. And C, which one? 0. That's about which one, guys? Here, B so. Now, 8th iteration, right? 8th iteration. So I value what again here? C. When I value C here again same. So I value D of C how much now? Right now 0, right? Right now 0. 0 plus 1, 1 now. So this is what here? 0 plus 1, it is 1. Now it update now. A same value 3. B same value 4. Now C it will be 1 now. It will be 1. Why 1 here? Because 0 plus 1, so it is 1. Same like 9th iteration. By end of 9th iteration, so again increase A same here. A same, B also same value 4, and C will be 2 like this, right? And how many times C is there? 5 times, right? So here 8th, 9th, and 10th iteration, 11th iteration, right? And also 12th iteration. By end of all the iterations, finally A will be 3, B will be 4, and C will be how much here? It is the 5. Each time increasing by 1, 1, right? So 1, 2, and 3, 4, and here 5. So finally the output is what now? The output is A is available 3 times, B is available 4 times, and C is available 5 times. This is the result of our current program, right? So if you like our videos, please subscribe our channel Narayana Tech House and follow us on Instagram, that is Python Narayana. Thank you.